Alright, quick video on the bumper filler pieces. They come with these mud flap kits. Here's your kit. Here's the page with this. Now, kits that a lot of guys have received, the kit that I received, brand new kits, the old stock sealed, you end up having broken bumper filler pieces. It's cracked here, it's cracked here, this piece is broke here. Here's your manufacturer number and your part number. It's 4 Papa Juliet Uniform 5 for your manufacturer number. Now, a buddy of mine, he ordered a new set of mud flaps for his truck. His truck already had the fillers. This is the piece I'm talking about installed. So he didn't need the fillers that came with his kit. So his kit, the fillers actually were not broken. The kit he bought. Same part number, different manufacturer, 34623. I had posted this online, and somebody said that this manufacturer number is actually for AM General. This part's a little more flexible than the other one, and it's a little bit thicker than the other one. Other than that, they're identical parts, more or less. So, the other issue that I have here is my truck is a 1992 998, and you see the beam. This is the main beam on the back of across the back of the body. This is where the body panel overlaps it, and that's a pretty good gap there. You can't probably tell, but that's at least a 1/4 inch gap. And it comes over here, and then it's just got one pop rivet holding it. And this pop rivet here is actually pictured. It's supposed to line up with this dimple, this recess here. And that's the way it's pictured in the manual. It's not really pictured the same as what's here. So I don't know if there's a change in the body at some point, and this is just an earlier body. I considered taking like a dead blow to that and trying to get it closer to the body itself. But then my concern became either I was going to ripple the back of the body somehow, the back of the panel where it's back here, or I would end up causing an area where stuff is going to collect and cause faster corrosion, because I'm in the Northeast here and corrosion sucks up here. What I ended up doing for the other side is I put the panel up in there and I held it on with binder clips, clamps, got it all lined, pushed it out against the body, drilled the center hole, ran the pop rivet in. Then you can do and for that one you can use an air riveter. Same with the outer one here. You can drill that, no problem. Air riveter, no problem. Now the inner hole, they want you to do this. In the book it shows you doing this without this bar installed. So if you don't want to unbolt that bar and take it back off, just do one pop rivet. What I ended up doing was I have a drill bit that has one of those hex shanks on it, and I had a shank extension. Just use the impact driver to drill that one hole, and then I used a hand riveter to put that one pop rivet in. And you need pretty strong hands because the location that it is and the type of pop rivet that it is, it's pretty tough. There's your pop rivets that come with it. Again, it's a 3/16 drill bit for these holes. Now on this side over here, it's already done. When I did this, I have this all pushed out. It was all pushed out like this. And when I did the pop rivet, it ended up tilting it down like this. My guess is because of the overlap on these this body panel here. I mean, you can see how big of a gap this is here. So I mean, it's only to keep debris, I guess, from shooting up between the bumper and the body. So it's not that much of a big deal. This could also be twisted because it's plastic from the way it was sitting in the packaging that it came in. I'm guessing having some type of gap between that and the bumper is probably a good thing anyway, just to keep it from rubbing and to keep dirt and mud and stuff, rocks, whatever, from collecting there if you drive your vehicle off-road a lot. So hopefully this is some sort of a little quick guide to help guys out, answer some questions that you may have. If you like the content, I have plenty of other videos on the channel. Like and subscribe.